Yahweh, you turn my waiting into light. Yahweh, you make everything right. Overflow breaking through my life. I lift my hands, I testify. Yahweh, you carry me through the night. Now every shadow is losing its fight. I was low but I'm standing alive. Your mercy pulled me into glow. I walk through silence, no sound but my pain. Still you were writing purpose in rain. Every delay had meaning inside. You were the reason I survived. What looked like empty was never the truth. You were unfolding something I could lose. Even the struggle was part of the plan. I see it now, I understand it. Every step was guided. Every tear you divided. Nothing lost, nothing wasted. Now I taste it, I face it. Yahweh, you turn my waiting into light. Yahweh, you make everything right. Overflow breaking through my life. I lift my hands, I testify. Yahweh, you carry me through the night. Now every shadow is losing its fight. What was broken is now made alive. Your promise keeps me in light. Now I see it clearer than before. Every closed door opened a door. Every setback shaped my sound. Now my praise is holy ground. I don't walk like I used to walk. Even my silence begins to talk. It speaks of mercy, it speaks of grace. It speaks of how you held my place. You brought me out, you brought me out.